Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add food not in MyFitnessPal database. So actually let's consider that I am looking for a food in MyFitnessPal to add it to my lunch, for example, or to my meal. So I didn't find it on the app. Actually, MyFitnessPal affords you that you can add food by your choice just by typing it and adding the calories on it and some other measures. So let's go into MyFitnessPal, show you how you can do that. And right here, as you can see, we are on the dashboard. So I want to go through the diary from here. Just tap on it. It's on the bottom of your screen. And after that, what I want you to do is to choose which meal you want to add that food. So for example, I will just go with the breakfast right here and I will tap add food. And right here, as you can see, I'm looking for a food right here and I didn't find that food. So what I'm gonna do, I will just go on the top of my screen and I will scroll right until I can see quick add. So I will just tap on it. And right here you can add your quick meal or quick add meal right here. Alright, so I say that I want to add it to the breakfast. So I will choose that breakfast and I will enter the calories amount. So for example, I want it to be 500 calories, and yeah, and you can enter the fatness and carbohydrates and also the protein and time that you will eat that food. So to do that, you need to be subscribed for sure. Anyways, once you're finished, you just need to go and tap the check mark on the top right of your screen. So alright, it will be added right here, as you can see on your breakfast. Anyways, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.